Hello, so I don't know the God you serve, but this day I just want to talk about the nature and the character of the God I serve according to Psalm 103. My God is holy. He forgives all iniquities. He heals all diseases. He redeems our life from the pit. He crowns us with steadfast love and mercy. My God satisfies us with good. My God vindicates and justifies all those who are oppressed. My God is merciful and gracious. My God is slow to anger. My God doesn't deal with me according to my sins, nor require me according to my iniquities. My God does not chide. His steadfast love is high above the earth. My God removes transgressions from me, and my God pities those who fear him. His steadfast love is everlasting to everlasting. This is the God I serve.